Hello, I'm Kevin Beck, Senior Digital Marketing Manager for Atlas Copco. I'm here today with Gavin Schaefer, our Business Development Manager for the North American region and service. And he's going to tell us a little bit about the After Sales Protection Program. Gavin, do you want to start us off?
Well, thanks for the introduction, Kevin. We're going to talk about the After Sales Protection Program. It's a program we created to cover all of our products from generators, pumps, and air compressors.
What's behind the name? What's involved with this program?
So the After Sales Protection Program is an over-encompassing program that includes multiple plans underneath it. Plans include a 3 or 5 year option, which includes all of the fluids and filters needed to maintain the unit for the life of that program, in accordance with the operator's guideline.
I know that there are usually terms and conditions for protection programs. What are some of our terms and conditions?
So the terms and conditions are really a hitch-to-bumper warranty that's very similar to what you're going to have with the standard machine warranty. These two programs really, they carry on from that manufacturer's warranty, and they provide an additional up to 4,000 hours for the 3-year or up to 6,000 hours for the 5-year program.
Now, what happens if you were to sell the unit or a new person takes over? Are you able to transfer that warranty?
Absolutely. One of the biggest benefits that we considered when putting this package together was that a dealer can add these units to their rental fleet, and then when that unit hits the 3-year mark, they still have an additional warranty product and covered product that they can sell on to their end user.
So Gavin, what are some of the delivery options for this warranty program?
So we offer a couple of different options. Because the units are connected with FleetLink, our connectivity connection, we know the hours of those units, and we can deliver those parts and service kits based on that time interval. We can also do a 3, 6, or 12-month interval, depending on what the planned usage of the unit is. Or for some of those larger bid packages, we can provide all of those parts and services, or parts for those services upfront with that 5-year package.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So it's almost becoming automated to a point with delivering your parts when you need them.
Absolutely. We've really taken in to have that whole system to really reduce that administrative burden. It's going to allow those parts to ship automatically as required, really minimizing that tied up operating capital that they have and minimizing the amount of usage for administration.
Now, for our customers, how do they know if they have this warranty or if a particular unit is included in this warranty or extended warranty program?
So we've got a couple of different ways of doing it. As an end user, you can use your cell phone and scan the QR code on the front of the unit. It'll take you right to the Power Connect page. And from that, you can see exactly what it has left for warranty on it, whether it has extended warranty or not. At a dealer level, you can log into Machines Online and find out the start date, end date, and what's left on it.
Gavin, are there any financing options for this program?
Absolutely. The financing packages we have mirror those of the machine financing programs for both Canada and the US.
Wow, that's amazing. I've heard a lot of great things today. What are some of the biggest things you would like to tell our customers about the program?
We really have a couple of different options and things that we really need to consider. One is it reduces that upfront operating capital. It really helps maintain and provide an even level across the board for operating the machine. It helps reduce the administrative burden, and it really is not an insurance program, it's an assurance program.
Wow, assurance. I like the sound of that. Assuring that our customers are covered when they need it. Well, I've heard a lot of great things today, Gavin. Appreciate your time, and I look forward to bringing it to our customers.
Well, thank you, Kevin, and we really look forward to working with our customers moving forward.